Okay, so you requested a video of the camera. I'm going to first show you that the power works. It's got a red light on it. It's been the camera has been attached to the camera has been attached to the power source for like a week now. I just attached it to my Garmin, which is turning on right now. So you can see that the power source works. I'm going to take it. Of course, I'm going to have to put this down for a sec. Attach it to the power source. Power source is on, or power source is connected. Sorry, I only have two hands. Alright, so I've tried pushing the power button, which is power button right there. You can see the light is on. Little light up there is on. And I'm pushing it down. See, I'm pushing it down and holding on, and nothing's happening. It's not turning on. You can see my finger right here from the reflection in the camera. So I'm not sure why it's not turning on. I pushed all the buttons. And it just sits there. The little light up here shows that it looks like it's getting power, because when I take it off, it goes to blue. So it's been charging, like I said, it's been charging for a good week now. But I can't get the thing in, pushing down, keeping it down, pushing all the buttons, conjunction. Anyway, it's not turning on. I was really looking forward to having this camera. It was looked like a really cute camera. I'm would appreciate a replacement. Thank you for your attention to this matter. I'm going to turn the video off because obviously it's not working. Thank you.